This Century 21 Agate Realty property video is presented by Jim Green, broker less than bedroom greater than licensed in Oregon. Very nice one owner home finished with high-end amenities. New in May 2021, owner has been transferred out of state for work. Great new subdivision with minimal traffic. No deferred maintenance. In like new condition, great floor plan, high ceilings, no maintenance landscaping, extra parking for boat or cars. Slight damage in master bath to be repaired prior to close. Can walk to downtown, Mill Beach or local park. Small and beverage refrigerators at kitchen and garage are not included. For more information, review the details below.